The following video is instructions on how to assemble the display built for CEF ministry workers. This image you can freeze frame on is a schematic to show what the finished product should look like standing up. I hope you have success in putting this together. If you have any questions, you can contact me at area code 203-578-5480. Thanks for purchasing this item, and God's blessings on its use. Inside this bag is the entire display, which measures 7 foot 6 inches tall by 6 feet 2 inches wide. It weighs 13 pounds without the bag, 14 pounds with the bag. The bag comes with it, and inside the bag are all the parts of the kit. You have display items which you'll make your own of, and then underneath it is the 3 rolled pieces of flannel with the pipes in the ends and all of the pieces to assemble your display. I'm going to assemble the display for you so that you know how to put it together. Okay, this is your full kit spread out on the ground for inventory purposes. You have 4 T-centered legs and 4 uprights with white connectors, 2 with T's and 2 with X's. You have 7 straight pieces. They're all the same length. You don't have to figure out which ones are different. And within your 3 flannel pieces, you have pipes already sewn into the end. So there's 2 pieces of pipe in each. These are the top and bottom rails for the side, for the other side, and for the center. The center section is 22 inches wide. The sides are 21 inches wide. So there's a difference. This one's taller. These, all the pieces that have fittings on the ends, are vertical pieces. So all of your straight pieces are horizontal pieces, and there are no straight pieces that are vertical. All of your fitted pieces are vertical pieces. They go for your uprights. You have 2 with T's on one end. You have 4 with T's on both ends. You have 2 with elbows on one end only, 2 with X's on one end only, and 2 with T's at a perpendicular angle to the pipe on the other end. These are the top for the center 2 segments. These are the top for the 2 outsides. I'm going to now assemble the whole thing on video so you know how to do it. You're going to start by assembling the base first. You should have 4 leg sections. They have 2 equal sides with a T in the center. And there's going to be 1 piece, actually there's 4 pieces in the kit, that have a white connector sticking out of the bottom of an end. You're going to take that and place a T in the first one. You can sit that down for now. In the second one in, it has an X fitting because it's connecting more than 1 side piece. And you're putting them in so that your joint is perpendicular to your base. Lay that down. Your third one, again, is an X fitting, perpendicular to the base. And then your fourth one is your other end. That one has a T fitting in it, perpendicular to the base. You now have your 4 legs assembled. There are 3 fabric panels. The center panel is 1 inch wider than the 2 side panels. So laying them side by side, it'll be obvious which is which. You're going to start with one of the 2 21 inch wide pieces. You're going to go to your end, and you're going to unroll it where you have the seam that has the flap on the back side, because that's the back of your display. Open it up a little bit, and you're going to use the pole that's already sewn into the end of your fabric and place it into the T on one side and into the X on the other side. Press them together gently, spread your fabric, and leave your roll rolled up in the center. You'll need that for later. Using your 22 inch wide piece, again with the seam on the back side, press it into your X on one side and your other X on the other side. Press together, spread your fabric, roll your coil up. And then you're going to do your last piece press together, give it a little tap, and now your base is fully assembled for you to start building vertically. Cut. Okay, to assemble the two sides, they're the same procedure. I'm going to show you one side and you just do the same on the other side. The fittings are different. So you're going to use the elbow, that's your top section. The one-ended piece that has a T on it is your second section. The two-ended piece with T's on both ends is your third section. From here, you're going to put cross members in. All the cross members are the same size, so you don't have to worry about finding the right ones. The side with the elbow is your outside corner. For the next segment in, you're going to use a T. The T gives you the ability to connect it to the center section, or you can use it freestanding as just one section, just like this. The next one you'll use has the X on it, and that's so that you can again use it freestanding or connect it to a center section. Then the same course near the bottom is a two-ended piece. That again is a T. Attach your ends in, and then you're going to place it on top of the already established base that you've put up already. Just press them until the white disappears. Now your last remaining cross piece, you're going to take, and it's pliable because it's plastic, and just press it in and press it together. This section can be used by itself, or you can connect it with the remainder of the pieces in order to make it a 3-panel wide piece. Now that your two sides have been put together, you're going to use your last remaining straight connector and join the two sides together. Now you can use it as 3 panels all in one, or you could use the two side panels freestanding by themselves. Take your first section, unroll it outwards, safely climbing a chair, place it on your intersection first on an angle, put your corner in, give a gentle squeeze, spread your fabric. Take your second middle section, unroll it out, your pole is in the top. This is in your far section. There's going to be a little bit of tension on it, so you're going to have to put it on an angle. Press it in until the white disappears, this side, and then just gently press it together, spread your fabric. Okay, and then take the last piece you've attached already to the bottom, unroll the pole, and insert with tension into the center and the corner. Grab the side and just gently press together, spread out your fabric, and all your panels are in place. Once fully assembled, place your own white foam core board images with just the male Velcro sides attached to them anywhere you want throughout the display onto the flannel backing. And they will stick. When you're finished, just remove them and disassemble in reverse order of assembly.